What's going on YouTube? It's nighttime. Doing a little prep work for some body work. Separate the frame from the body. Doing this for a customer so we can see what and all's going on. A lot of rust to repair on the firewall, floor pans. Hey, that's the Fred Flintstone right there, boy. Yeah. Already got the LS in it. Gonna doll up everything, make it look nice. Malibu Classic. Do some body work on it. Probably sandblast or wire wheel the frame and paint it. Pull that new gas tank out, patch some floor pans. Got some rust repair on the top. New trunk pan. Patch around the back of the glass. Got a lot of rust, but we can make it happen. Frame off restoration, hello. What the steel cracker say? That money dude. Y'all ain't checked him out. Man, he's got a good cooking show on YouTube. Teach you a little bit of that Louisiana life. Hello. Looks like that's where this car was, Louisiana, with all the salt. Jeez. Rust was not nice to this one. So we get some new patches welded in it. How about y'all like, subscribe, comment, share? Know somebody wants some rust repair done. It's a little weight, but we can get to it. Alright, y'all have a good one. Help a brother out. Like, subscribe, comment. Do all that good stuff YouTube likes. Y'all have a good one. Later.